In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer to Clickfunnels. A countdown timer is a simple but powerful way to create urgency and encourage your visitors to take action before time runs out. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through adding a timer to your page, customizing how it behaves, and making sure your changes are saved correctly. First, make sure you're logged into your Clickfunnels account and navigate to the funnel and specific page where you want the countdown to appear. Once you've found that page, open it in the editor. This is the main visual builder where you can see your page layout and all of your existing elements. Give it a second to load, and you should see the familiar interface with sections, rows, and elements. Next, we're going to add the countdown element itself. Look for the Add Element option, usually represented by an orange plus icon. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a panel will open showing you all the different types of elements you can add to your page, like headlines, buttons, images, and more. From that list, scroll until you find the countdown option. Select Countdown to add it to your page. The timer will appear where you've chosen to place it, and you'll see a preview of the countdown right away. If it doesn't land exactly where you want, you can drag it to a better spot within your layout so it fits naturally with your headline, offer, or call to action. Now, click directly on the countdown element to open its settings panel. This is where you control how the timer behaves and what your visitors will see. You'll have options to set the end date or to choose the timer type. You can typically pick between a fixed timer, which counts down to a specific date and time, or an evergreen timer, which is unique for each visitor and starts fresh whenever someone lands on the page. A fixed timer is great for scheduled launches or promotions that truly end on a certain day, while an evergreen timer works well for ongoing funnels where you still want that sense of urgency. Once you've chosen the timer type and set your end date or duration, review your settings to make sure everything looks right on the page. When you're happy with how it appears and functions, click Save. This step is crucial so you don't lose any of your changes. After saving, you can preview the page to confirm the countdown looks correct and is actively counting down for your visitors.